Just by looking at this, what is x? X is equal to 3. Let me know if you get it in the comments. Let's solve together. So here now, we have to equate the powers since the base are the same. We have the same base on both the left hand side and the right hand side, which is 2. So we will now equate the powers so that we have 4x to be equal to x plus 9. When x go to the other side by collecting the like terms, it becomes 4x minus x equals 9. 4x minus x will give 3x, the same thing as 4 minus 1. That's 3x to be equal to 9, and then we divide both sides by 3. 3 will cancel 3 here, and x will be equal to 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So did you get the answer? Let me know what you got, or if you got it right, in the comments.